something maybe in the back or something.
Hold on. Let me see.
They're in a tight spot.
Just pulled up to Nick's place. We're going to give him a hand with putting on some new sliders, removing off the boat side ones that he had on before. Going to get them welded on. Not a professional welder. Let's go have a look. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look around this Jeep now. Nick's over here just prepping everything for the frame so we can weld it up, but want to walk around and show you what's been fixed and how everything's progressing along, getting ready for EJS, which is just in 2 weeks. These B pillars got replaced and got these welded on. The previous Genright sliders dented this all up, so they pulled it out to make it function. Put an extra layer of paint on, and he went ahead and threw on the new Genright kick plates. And now he's narrow fenders here on both the front and the rear, which is awesome. Tailgate painted, good to go. So everything from here that got messed up, this has been repaired. Ordered a new windshield, went with gray. He's really got a gray theme going on anyways, always has. So this is fine. So he's completely fixed up and good to go, other than the doors, which that's later, Skater.